How to create a room in Carrom Pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are into Carrom Pool and want to play with friends, then first of all, launch open the Carrom Pool disc game on a device, and once you're inside this homepage, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom of the screen. In the friends tab, you'll see the create room button at the top in green. Tap on it. Now select whether you want to create 1 versus 1 or 2 versus 2 room. Select your play mode from the menu and click on create room. You'll be able to see your room code generated at the top of the screen. You can share your room code with your friends. Tap the share icon. Select your friends that you want to share your room code with. And once you do that, your friends can enter this code in the join room section to join your match. When everyone has joined, you can tap on Start Match at the bottom of the screen. And then you'll be all set to play, chat, and have a blast. So that is how you easily create a room in Carrom Pool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.